In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift card on Binance. So the very first thing I want to do here is just open up Binance on your mobile app and locate your profile. So right now at the home part of the application, and I have the profile icon which is located at the left corner of my screen. So just click on it, the profile, and just choose the gift card option here. You will be redirected to a new page. So what you want to do here is just go to redeem, and you'll be given two options here. So redeem to crypto or redeem to fiat, which is actual money that you could use. So if you want to convert it directly to crypto, just click on redeem to crypto and just enter the 16 character digits and letters here and just click on redeem. If you want the other way around, redeem to fiat, you have to do the same thing, but here you could just select the currency that you want to convert it to, the redemption code, and just click on next. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.